Today I'm very excited to start this new series where we'll be using AI in Jupyter notebooks to do some case studies. Now, to do that, we are using here DataCamp, where with DataLab subscription, we can write prompts in Jupyter notebook to generate codes. So in this analysis, in this case study, we'll be doing a revenue drop analysis, and to generate the data, we can add a content like this here in a cell, and I'll just request the AI to actually generate some data as well. So I'll put a prompt here, create a data frame sales DF for sales performance drop analysis with the following columns. Okay, so when I enter, it will generate a data frame. You see it is generating some codes and it has generated some data frame. But yeah, I'll not be using this data frame. I already have a data frame, so I'll be using this. And in this data frame we do have the same set of columns: date, salesperson, region, product, unit sold, and revenue. Now in this sales DF we need to further investigate to understand if there is a drop in sales, and if there is a really a drop in sales, then what is the reason behind that. So again, in the next prompt I'll be checking with the AI. Actually, I'll be requesting AI to give me a monthly trend of sales. Okay, so I mention use the sales DF data and give me a monthly trend. So moment I hit enter, it will again generate some codes, and let's see. Yeah, it has also executed the code as well. So if you see here, we have a monthly trend of revenue, and we can see that there is a huge drop from 61.5k in March to 44.3k in April. Now we don't know the reasons yet, so what we can do is that we can further explore the data, and thing that we can do is that we can look at the monthly sales by region to understand if this problem is across all region, or is it for a one region only. Okay, so I'll add this prompt again, use the sales DF to show monthly sales by region, and the moment I hit enter, it will again generate a few lines of code and it will show me a plot as well. So here we can see that actually, other than this south region, for all other region there is a drop in sales. So there is a problem across three regions, but yeah, for one region it is not the case. The revenue is within a certain limit for these 6 months. So the next thing that we can explore is that we can also look at this revenue by salesperson. Okay, so for that, if we put this prompt, so give me monthly sales by salesperson in charts, let's see what do we get. So once I hit enter, I'll get this chart here, and from here we can see that for Bob there is a huge drop in revenue. So while all other salesperson are doing great, I mean doing well across this 6 month, for Bob there is a huge drop in the revenue, and maybe that is the reason why we see there is a huge drop in the overall revenue. So maybe Bob is facing some challenges, or maybe the products that he is handling is having a tough time with that. So this way we can explore the data to understand why there is a fall in revenue. Okay, now AI gives us the flexibility to generate code easily just using some prompts, but our role becomes then to ask the relevant questions to understand the data better, and get answers for those specific business problems. So in the next case study, I'll be using some other data set, and we'll explore that using AI. I hope you like this video and you'll try out this feature yourself as well in whatever uh, Jupyter notebook environment that you are using, if it is AI enabled, or you can also use GPT as well externally to get some codes with right prompts. To do explore that and share your uh, feedback in the comments. Do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.